This is how to replace the cabin air filter in your 2023 Kia Sportage. The part number is 97133N9100. Drop the glove compartment. On the right hand side, you're going to use your thumb to remove the plastic piece from the actual glove compartment. And then on both sides, you're going to take your hands and you're going to push inwards, sort of bending or warping the plastic, and the glove compartment will fall down towards the floor. This will expose the cabin air filter tray where you're going to be able to find the cabin air filter. So in the back, on the right hand side, on the top, there are two plastic pieces that you can use your fingers to squeeze down in order to open the actual compartment. Once you do that, you can just pull the plastic piece off and it will expose the cabin air filter. Notice that the airflow direction is down. You'll remove the cabin air filter. This one is very dirty. And you'll put in the new cabin air filter and make sure the actual airflow direction is down. Take the new cabin air filter and you can push it in. Once you've done that, you can attach the plastic piece back in. It should click in. Then you can use a little bit of force to push back the glove compartment or use both of your hands and squeeze the plastic. And then once again, you can move the plastic piece down or up in pretty much any direction. Line it up with the plastic rivet and push it in. Once you're done with that, you can just close your glove compartment and you're good to go. I'll leave the links in the description below.